The sun is a powerful force. It bathes our planet in light and warmth. This makes it a natural source of energy. Welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you as well. We are increasingly turning to solar power. Solar panels are becoming more common. They harness the sun's energy. This energy powers our homes and businesses. This shift to solar energy is vital. It helps combat climate change. Solar panels need regular cleaning. Dust, dirt, and debris can accumulate on the panels. This buildup acts like a shade, preventing sunlight from reaching the solar cells. Traditional cleaning methods are labor-intensive and costly. Manual cleaning often involves scrubbing panels by hand. This is especially challenging for large solar installations. Imagine cleaning acres of solar panels manually. It's a daunting task. This is where technology steps in to offer a solution. Automated cleaning systems are changing the game. They are making solar panel maintenance more efficient and cost-effective. These innovative systems employ robots. These robots are specifically designed for cleaning solar panels. They offer a glimpse into the future of solar energy. It's a future where maintaining solar panels is no longer a challenge. Imagine a team of tireless workers. These workers are dedicated to keeping solar panels spotless. They work day and night. They don't take breaks. These workers are robots. They are revolutionizing solar panel cleaning. They are making it effortless and efficient. These robots operate autonomously. This means they can clean solar panels without any human intervention. This is a game changer for the solar industry. It frees up human resources. It allows us to focus on other important tasks. These robots are equipped with sensors and software. They can detect obstacles and adjust their cleaning patterns based on the level of dirt. This is the power of automation. Think about a solar farm. It spans acres of land. Thousands of solar panels are glistening in the sun. Navigating this vast space is a complex task. But solar panel cleaning robots are up to the challenge. They are equipped with advanced navigation systems. These systems use GPS and other technologies. These robots can move precisely between rows of solar panels. They can follow pre-programmed routes. They can even create their own routes based on the layout of the solar farm. This level of precision ensures thorough cleaning. The robot's navigation systems are also designed for safety. They can detect obstacles and adjust their course to prevent accidents. The use of robots in solar panel cleaning offers numerous benefits. The most significant benefit is the reduction in labor costs. Traditional cleaning methods require a large workforce, especially for large solar installations. Robots can do the same job with minimal human supervision. Another benefit is increased efficiency. Robots can clean solar panels much faster than humans and work for longer hours. This translates to more solar panels cleaned in less time. The rise of solar panel cleaning robots is a testament to human ingenuity. We are ensuring the efficiency of renewable energy sources. Solar panel cleaning robots are marvels of engineering. They are designed to be tough on dirt but gentle on solar panels. This delicate balance is achieved through advanced cleaning mechanisms. One common method utilizes rotating brushes made from soft materials. The brushes spin at high speeds, creating a scrubbing action that dislodges dirt and dust. The robots are also equipped with suction systems that remove the dislodged dirt. Another method utilizes microfiber pads, similar to those used for cleaning eyeglasses. The robots use a combination of pressure and movement to ensure the pads make contact with the entire surface. This method is particularly effective for removing dust and light debris. These mechanisms ensure the panels are cleaned effectively and safely. Behind the cleaning mechanisms lies a sophisticated system of sensors and software. This system is the brain of the solar panel cleaning robot. It allows the robot to navigate, detect dirt, and adjust its cleaning patterns accordingly. Sensors play a crucial role in this process. They provide information about the environment and measure the level of dirt on the panels. The software processes this information and makes decisions to optimize cleaning. This ensures all panels are cleaned to the same standard. A clean sweep, the future of solar panel maintenance. The development of advanced cleaning technologies is revolutionizing solar panel maintenance. It's making it more efficient, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative cleaning solutions in the future. One promising area of development is the use of artificial intelligence, or AI. AI-powered robots will be able to learn from their experiences. They will optimize their cleaning routes and predict when and where cleaning is needed. This will further reduce maintenance costs and increase the efficiency of solar energy systems. Another area of development is the use of dry cleaning methods. These methods eliminate the need for water, making them ideal for arid regions. Then, the thirst of traditional cleaning. Traditional solar panel cleaning methods often rely heavily on water. Imagine using hoses and brushes to scrub away dust and grime. It's a water-intensive process. This poses a significant problem, especially in regions facing water scarcity. Every drop of water is precious. Using it to clean solar panels can strain local water resources. In arid regions, water is a particularly valuable commodity. Using large amounts of water for cleaning is simply not sustainable. This is where solar panel cleaning robots come in, offering a much-needed solution. These robots minimize or even eliminate the need for water in the cleaning process. Dry cleaning, a sustainable solution. Many solar panel cleaning robots utilize innovative dry cleaning methods. These methods eliminate the need for water altogether, making them ideal for water-scarce regions. One such method involves the use of microfiber cloths. These cloths attract and trap dust and dirt, much like how a microfiber cloth cleans eyeglasses. The robots are equipped with rotating brushes or pads covered in these microfiber cloths. As the robot moves across the solar panels, these cloths gently sweep away dust and debris. The collected dirt is then stored in a compartment within the robot to be disposed of later. Another dry cleaning method utilizes air blasts. These robots use powerful fans to blow away dust and debris from the surface of the solar panels. The water efficiency of solar panel cleaning robots offers multiple benefits. Firstly, it significantly reduces the environmental impact of solar energy production. By minimizing water usage, these robots conserve this precious resource, particularly in areas facing water stress. Secondly, water-efficient cleaning methods reduce the operational costs of solar energy facilities. By eliminating or minimizing water usage, these robots help lower these costs, making solar energy even more economically viable. Dry cleaning methods avoid water spots or mineral deposits, ensuring optimal performance and longevity of the solar panels. Imagine a garden left untended. Weeds would flourish, choking out the plants you carefully nurtured. Sunlight, essential for growth, would be blocked. Your garden's productivity would dwindle. Solar panels, in many ways, are like gardens. They require regular maintenance to perform at their peak. Dust, dirt, bird droppings, pollen, these are the weeds of the solar panel world. They accumulate gradually, forming a layer of grime that acts like a shade, preventing sunlight from reaching the solar cells. This buildup can significantly reduce the efficiency of your solar panels. Consistent cleaning schedules are crucial for maximizing the performance of your solar panels. Solar panel cleaning robots come equipped with a powerful, feature-programmable cleaning schedules. This feature takes the guesswork out of maintenance, allowing you to set a regular cleaning routine that suits your needs. No more calendar reminders. The robots take care of it all automatically. You can set the robot to clean daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or at any other interval that aligns with your requirements. This is particularly useful in areas with high dust accumulation. Moreover, you can schedule the cleaning to take place during off-peak hours. This ensures that the cleaning process does not interfere with energy generation during peak sunlight hours. Maximizing output, the power of clean energy. The benefits of consistent cleaning schedules extend beyond just maintaining the aesthetic appeal of your solar panels. It's about harnessing the full potential of your investment. ensuring that your solar panels operate at their peak efficiency. Clean solar panels translate directly into increased energy savings. When your panels are free from dirt and debris, they can absorb more sunlight, resulting in higher energy conversion rates. This means more power for your home or business, reducing your reliance on the grid and lowering your electricity bills. Furthermore, consistent cleaning contributes to the longevity of your solar panels. Regular cleaning prevents buildup, protecting your investment and ensuring that your solar panels continue to generate clean energy for years to come. Solar panel cleaning robots are no longer a futuristic concept. They are a reality, hard at work in various locations around the globe. From sprawling solar farms in sun-drenched deserts to residential rooftops in bustling cities, these robots are proving their worth. One of the most challenging environments for solar panels is the desert. The constant exposure to dust and sand can quickly reduce energy output, making regular cleaning a necessity. In places like the Mojave Desert, solar panel cleaning robots navigate vast solar farms with ease. These robots tirelessly work to keep the panels clean, ensuring a consistent and reliable supply of solar energy. Rooftop solar panels also benefit from the efficiency of robotic cleaning. This ensures that homeowners can maximize their investment in solar energy. The adoption of solar panel cleaning robots is a global phenomenon. From the deserts of the Middle East to the high plains of South America, these robots are proving their adaptability and effectiveness. In countries with ambitious renewable energy targets, such as India and China, solar panel cleaning robots are maximizing the output of large-scale solar power plants. These robots, operating autonomously, can cover vast areas quickly and efficiently. In Europe, where rooftop solar installations are prevalent, homeowners are increasingly turning to robotic cleaners to maintain their panels. The field of solar panel cleaning robots is constantly evolving, with ongoing research and development leading to new innovations and improvements. The robots are becoming smarter, more efficient, and more adaptable to different environments and types of solar installations. This continuous progress ensures that solar energy remains a viable and increasingly attractive option for a sustainable future. One exciting area of development is the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning into these robots. AI-powered robots can learn from their experiences, optimizing cleaning routes, adjusting cleaning intensity based on the level of dirt, and even predicting when and where cleaning is needed. This level of sophistication will further enhance the efficiency of solar panel cleaning, reducing maintenance costs and maximizing energy output. Moreover, researchers are exploring new cleaning methods that are even more water efficient and environmentally friendly. This includes the use of electrostatic dust shields that repel dust before it settles on the panels, ultrasonic cleaning techniques that use high-frequency vibrations to remove dirt, and even robotic systems that use swarms of miniature robots to clean large solar arrays collaboratively. These innovations promise to make solar panel cleaning even more sustainable and cost-effective, paving the way for a brighter and cleaner energy future. As we've journeyed through the world of solar panel cleaning robots, one thing is clear. These innovative machines are transforming the solar energy landscape. They represent a remarkable fusion of human ingenuity and technological advancement, offering a glimpse into a future where clean energy is not only abundant, but also effortlessly maintained. These robots, with their autonomous operation, advanced cleaning technologies and minimal water footprint, are making solar energy more efficient, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly than ever before. Imagine a world where vast solar farms stretching across deserts and plains silently and efficiently power our cities and industries, their gleaming panels kept spotless by tireless robotic guardians. Imagine rooftops adorned with solar panels, quietly soaking up the sun's energy, their surfaces free from dust and grime thanks to the regular attention of compact, agile cleaning robots. This is the promise of this technology, a future where clean energy is not just a dream, but a tangible reality, readily accessible to all. The journey towards a sustainable future is paved with innovations like these. Innovations that challenge conventional thinking, push the boundaries of what's possible, and offer practical solutions to real-world problems. Solar panel cleaning robots are not just about keeping solar panels clean, they are about ensuring the efficiency and viability of clean energy, paving the way for a brighter, more sustainable tomorrow. As we continue to explore the vast potential of solar energy, one thing is certain. These remarkable robots will play an increasingly vital role, empowering our world with the sun's inexhaustible energy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.